Your home should be more than just walls and furniture. It's the space where your lifestyle, creativity, and comfort meet. And with design constantly evolving, 2025 brings fresh, exciting ideas that make our interiors smarter, calmer, and more stylish. In this video, we'll dive into the top 200 interior design trends and tips you need to know for 2025. From living rooms to kitchens, bedrooms to bathrooms, I'll guide you through the shapes, colors, and styles that will define homes this year. Let's get started. Living room trends. In 2025, living rooms are transforming into cozy yet modern hubs. Neutral palettes like beige, taupe, and warm gray dominate, but don't be afraid of pops of earthy green or terracotta to add energy. Sofas are going bold. Curved silhouettes, modular sectionals, and fabric choices like boucle or linen bring comfort with character. Accent chairs are becoming sculptural, almost like art pieces themselves. Coffee tables are statement makers too. Marble, terrazzo, and mixed material designs are trending. Walls are no longer plain. Wood slats, acoustic panels, or even textured wallpaper add warmth and depth. Lighting has a huge role. Think layered lighting with ceiling lamps, floor lamps, and even hidden LED strips to create mood shifts. And yes, floating TV cabinets with hidden wiring are here to stay. Sleek, minimal, and functional. Kitchen trends. Kitchens in 2025 are where minimalism meets technology. Handleless cabinetry with soft close systems creates smooth, modern lines. Matte finishes in black, navy, or muted green are gaining popularity, while light oak wood tones balance the look. Countertops are moving away from traditional granite, quartz, porcelain slabs, and even recycled stone are taking the spotlight. Kitchen islands are getting bolder, often with waterfall edges that make them a true centerpiece. Backsplashes aren't just tiles anymore. Full stone slabs or textured ceramics add drama and elegance. Integrated smart appliances, like touchscreen fridges and hidden induction cooktops, make daily life seamless. Even small details matter. Brass, copper, or matte black handles elevate cabinetry instantly. Bedroom trends. Bedrooms in 2025 are about turning rest into a true luxury experience. Platform beds with low, sleek profiles bring calm minimalism, while upholstered or curved headboards add softness. Natural materials dominate here. Cane, linen, and would blend perfectly with cozy neutral bedding in beige, cream, or muted earth tones. Layered textiles, throws, cushions, and rugs create warmth without clutter. Closets are transforming too, with glass front wardrobes and built-in LED lighting making them both functional and stylish. And lighting is shifting. Pendant lamps and wall-mounted fixtures are replacing bulky bedside lamps, saving space and adding elegance. Japandi style, a fusion of Japanese simplicity and Scandinavian comfort, is particularly popular, offering balance and serenity. Bathroom trends. Bathrooms are becoming personal wellness retreats. Large format tiles in stone finishes make spaces look sleek and continuous, while floating vanities with underglow lighting add a futuristic touch. Walk-in showers with rainfall heads and frameless glass partitions are trending, and freestanding tubs remain the ultimate luxury symbol. Smart mirrors with anti-fog, built-in lighting, and touch controls are must-haves for 2025. For fixtures, matte black continues to be a favorite, but brushed gold and bronze are also making waves, adding a warmer, more luxurious tone. Plants and natural textures, like wooden stools or stone basins, bring in that spa-like calm. Dining room trends. In dining rooms, shape and material make all the difference. Oval and round tables encourage flow and conversation, while long rectangular tables remain classics for family gatherings. Materials like marble, glass, and solid wood dominate. Mixed combinations, such as a marble top with a slim wooden or metal base, are especially stylish. Lighting is crucial. Statement chandeliers and sculptural pendant lights act as jewelry for the dining room. Neutral walls with textured finishes or subtle wallpapers add sophistication. And one big trend? Mismatched dining chairs. Mixing upholstered seats with wood or cane gives a curated, modern feel. Home office trends. With remote work still strong, home offices need to blend productivity with style. Desks are minimalist, with built-in storage and clever cable management to keep surfaces clutter-free. Colors are kept calm and neutral, beige, off-white, or muted greens that boost focus. Acoustic panels and layered lighting help create a distraction-free environment. Floating shelves, foldable desks, and modular storage solutions maximize small spaces. Ergonomic chairs are non-negotiable, and adding greenery makes the space more inspiring. The trend is to make the office feel like a natural extension of the home, not just a separate corner. General design tips for 2025. Now let's talk about the big picture trends shaping interiors across all rooms. Sustainability is at the forefront. Reclaimed wood, eco-friendly paints, and recycled materials are more important than ever. Mixing old with new is another strong trend. Blending vintage statement pieces with modern furniture creates uniqueness and depth. Colors for 2025 lean towards earthy neutrals, beige, sand, olive, and clay. But bold accents like deep blues or muted burgundy can create contrast. Minimalism continues, but it's a warmer, softer version. Not empty spaces, but carefully curated pieces. Layered lighting remains essential, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting for mood and function. And open layouts with flexible zones for work, relaxation, and dining keep homes practical and future-proof. So there you have it, the top 200 modern home interior design trends and tips for 2025. This year is all about creating spaces that are stylish, functional, and sustainable. From cozy Japandi-inspired bedrooms to bold kitchen islands and spa-style bathrooms, 2025 interiors are designed to balance beauty with comfort. Which of these trends are you most excited to bring into your own home? Share your favorites in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly home design inspiration. Thanks for watching.